Okay, up to bat, everyone. We have Jayleena, a sophomore majoring in kinesiology and a player on the college softball team. She's about to share her athletic accomplishments and how the athletic department has supported her. SAC has earned many recent athletic championships, including men's soccer, football, softball, and many, many more. Here to share all the details is Jayleena. You are up.
Thanks so much for that, Alex. After high school, I decided to follow up on my childhood dream of playing collegiate softball. Santa Ana College has been one of the greatest experiences of my life. Because of SAC, I'm able to obtain my kinesiology degree at my own pace while playing the sport I love. Last year was my first year at SAC, and we won conference, advanced to regionals, super regionals, and even the state championship. We broke records, and I'm proud to say that I was part of a program that made history. I made so many new friends and met so many new people in just a few short months. My favorite memory from SAC is definitely the state championship. I felt so much love from professors, counselors, and other faculty on campus. Santa Ana College really cares about their student athletes, from football to track and field. From day one, we have all felt so welcomed and supported. Our athletic trainers are super involved. They care so much about us on the field and court and off. As I begin my recruitment process to transfer out and continue playing, I'll know I'll have great assistance from my coaching staff and great support from our athletic counselors. Don's roll, now back to you, Alex.
Jayleena, how exciting to hear about the stellar athletic programs and the phenomenal athletes at Santa Ana College. Congratulations to you, the team, and coaches on your state championship. Absolutely amazing. Thanks, Jayleena.